Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm an attorney in Middle Tennessee, and I'm here with some more fun facts about lawyers and attorneys in Tennessee. So I think most people know that in order to become a lawyer in Tennessee, you have to go to law school. I think it's pretty common knowledge, but did you know that there are other things that you have to do in order to get your license to be able to practice in the state? So one of the things you have to do, one of the qualifications is pass law school. So you have to go through 3 years of law school. Sometimes it's 4 years, depending on your program. You have to then go and take what's called the MPRE, which is an ethics exam. That is a one-day exam. You go through, and there is a whole rule book of ethics that lawyers are supposed to follow, and we have to be tested on those. After that, you also have to take the bar exam, which is what most lawyers talk about when they talk about being licensed to practice. They pass the bar, and that is an extensive 2-day exam that covers a wide range, basically everything you learned in your 3 or 4 years of law school crammed into a 2-day test. There's different sections, but it tests everything from bankruptcy all the way to family law and everything in between. Also in the state of Tennessee, you have to submit a fitness and character application, and so that's a very extensive application that you go through your criminal background, your entire background test. You have to just provide a ton of information, where you've lived, who you've lived with, and all these things to the board to make sure that you are qualified and have the character fit of being an attorney. Part of that application process is also a personal interview with another attorney in the state of Tennessee. So there are attorneys that you would go and you would sit in an interview, and they would assess whether or not you have the character and fitness to be an attorney in the state of Tennessee. If all of those things have happened and you've passed the bar and you've passed the fitness exam and you've passed all these things, then you can be sworn in by the state of Tennessee. You have to be sworn in front of a judge, and then you get your license to practice. But in the state of Tennessee, that's not the end of it. If you have a license to practice law, you have to pay to have that license every single year. But then additionally, you have to do a certain number of hours of your CLEs, or some continuing legal education. So every year, I have to do a certain number of hours of education in the legal field to continue to educate me on how the legal field is, what's changing, and things that are just moving in the legal world. Even though it was a very long, difficult road to becoming a lawyer, with all the different things that have to be done and the continuing things that I have to do, I will say it is still a job that I absolutely love every single day, and I find joy in coming to work every single day. Follow me for more fun facts about lawyers in Tennessee.